Hlobo lokuthi safuna ukufikisa lana yabo. Gcine kudala ukushaya ama-vlog bafethu. Yeah, ngifuna ukushaya izimoto namhlanje yabo. Sengivlogele on my new plug. I used to share ama-vlog sahlala isodwa, but manje sengise bathini le ndawo sengihlala eJozi manje. Yeah. Hlobo lokuthi ungifollow ungabukeli kuphela mfethu, subscribe lapha kuma-YouTube lapha Scooter Main Vlog. Yabo manje fixa igetho lami nami ngizozifixa myself with pha vaye ngiyophanda. Angipheki Joe. Angikwazi ukupheka mfethu. Every time angipheka kudla kwakhona like even myself I don't enjoy it. Yabo. So yeah, I normally don't cook. I just buy something to eat every day, and it costs me a lot, yabo. So yeah, ngifuna ukuqala manje ngifunda ukupheka yabo, ngithatha ama-tutorials lapha ku-YouTube. Yabo. And then this I got it for free. Yabo. Someone ordered izolo. But she or he was supposed to pay cash. Yabo. Then when I got there, ngalinda 8 minutes yakhona le yokulinda customer yaphela. Ngalinda another 5 minutes, yabo. The person didn't pull up. Then Uber gave me a message and said, end the trip. This won't affect your earnings. You can throw away the food. Throw away. Ngalahla ukudla. I'm just saying, bafethu, like to throw away. Ngalahla ukudla. Doesn't work like that. So mahlobolo bafethu. Yabo. Mahlobolo bayahlanya. Mina ngilahla ukudla. Yabo. Throw away. Doesn't work like that. That's been nice. It doesn't work like that. Ayibereki njalo. Ayibereki njalo. Oh, I also have this, bafethu. I will also have this. Yeah, for them drivers, like if you want to share the spanning share, but you don't have a bike and all that. This company is called Yasir. The taxi cross, and all that, but they like you can order their food on Uber Eats. So they are looking for drivers and stuff. They offer a bike, electric, and all that. Yeah. Just apply the Yasir Tando the Yasir Korea app. Yasir Korea partner app. Then we on. So belokunuke kamnandi. Yabo, smell nice. Smell sependa siyangibasela ufiti. Yabo ngamangala ngibona ngishisa le yawi. Pende. Yabo lamapende lawo mawupenda ngayo kuyashine. Sesilethi ngishanga ama-sinus. Yabo. Ngisince ngifikile la. like month yami obisithule. Since nje ngifikile amakhala wami blockekile, so I decided to buy that lavender. I bought that lavender incense, the 1 year lavender, just to make my room smell nice. Cause this smells yepende, yo, kawat hard yabo, shale makhadi. Afit na passport lam did. I am ready to go to Jamaica. Your payments are. Yeah, I'm ready to go to Jamaica. Your payments are. Yabo. Yeah, not passport lam. Ngiyabhajetha. Save hlanganisa imali enough ngiyavaya vacation ngeJamaica ngiyopayments angonali passport la. Yalibona likaka stamp lisase clean. Yabo lisase clean. So ngifuna ukuthi the first step esingena la Jamaica siyopayments ango. Hlobo. Bafethu. Anyways, the reason why ngiveza the passport is not because vele ngifuna ngeJamaica ngopayments ango. I'm joking. But bafethu yabona immediately you finish high school, get yourself a license, driver's license, get yourself a passport, because you'll never know, you might get a job that has a company outside the country, and they want to move a few people from South Africa to that country. So this might help you not to miss out on a lot, because with your South African passport you can search there. South Africans can go to like I think 30 something countries without a visa. Just this. For example, I can go to Brazil and come back without a visa. I will just China, Russia. There's more countries in that list. So yeah, get yourself a passport. Be prepared for anything. Ngafika room lami mess chu. Mess baba, mess. Everything follow man, they look cap man, they look like side. Follow the nigga man. Yebo, ngishanga 29,000 followers la ku TikTok. Ngishanga 11 subscribers ku YouTube. 11, cabanga 11 bafethu. Facebook ngishanga 6,000 followers. Yabo, so bafethu follow and subscribe my YouTube man. Yabo, subscribe to my YouTube. Sho boy Senkosi hlobo mahlobo lo hlobo phezulu mahlobo lo. Hlobo lo utishila. Yabo. Samsubabona. Shoo. Samsubabona. Bona. See Shubabona. I'm all Spanish shy, boy. I feel ngabophuma without a rain suit. Kuyashisa kunjani kwenzakalani, especially thina seGauteng weather yala eBhemini sakho. yabo ibhema too much wela nini so rain suit maybe uphathe everyday hlezi iseboxini danko kuyashisa kunjani, you never know maweda, cause ngashisa la eJozi yabo mina ngise-CBD, ngashisa la e-CBD ngithola i-order lithi Germiston yabo masayite uma Bedford View that side yabo, mangifika ngale weather ichangile, kuyanetha kuyabanda and all that shit yabo, and all that yabo. It's just that mara mfethu yabo, mina I don't beg love yabo, mina ngincenga uthando from anyone yabo, even I don't care ukuthi South African or not, but I don't beg uthando. Mina mfethu I want to tell you this yabo, mina foreign nationals they can come in this country in the right way, but bafethu mina will tell you this bafethu yabo, man, you need to bafethu, like you don't just vibe to this restaurant kuphela bafethu yabo, you need to also but stop mas driver abo driver beyikuda there yabo, and check ama-app, check the app there, check isithombe selesi siku-app nesithombe so-driver yabo, because why? There is South Africans that are renting their apps, and there's foreign nationals that are renting their apps. They open Uber Eats apps and then they rent them out. And that's fraud. That's fraud, that's crime. So all these shops must check, man. Must check there, when it mustn't just check the bike, which you have a bag. You must also check the profile picture and the person taking the order. Because sometimes bafethu usanokuvaya udrive mfethu 3 kilometers to collect. Mawufika lapho ulinde 5 minutes, 7 minutes, only for them to tell you ukuthi hayi ndoda le order leli dala lithathiwe. Lithathe omunye umuntu. Yebo. Mahlobolo bafethu. So laba basipane ama-shop laba, I will check my profile bafethu, khohle ngama-number plate wey'kuta, cause ngarent iskuta this week, ngixabane nomnikazi weskuta, ngihambe ngorent esinye iskuta komunye umuntu yabo. No, like mina I always see them batsho bafuna ukubona i-bag, bafuna ukubona i-number plate yeskuta, confirm number plate yeskuta. I must confirm ukuthi is the person taking the order the owner of the app now. Yabo, hlobo. Arafile bafethu tulaba bangaspani bachita yabo, ma-South Africans angaspani bafethu yabo, ma-South Africans angaspani, ningangibiza ngovelaphi, ningibize whatsoever bafethu yabo, but ama-contractor wafani yabo, ngangibiza ngovelaphi, ngibize whatsoever bafethu, kulaba bangaspani. Get yourself a learner's scooter or license scooter, Brian. You'll never run out of a job. You'll never run out of a job, Baba. You'll always have a job. You'll always have a job. Like, you'll always have a job. And but to me, like, if I need enough, I do qualify to take a car. I do qualify for a bond house. Which is 4,000 every month. It's funny enough, Baba. So when you see umuntu drive a scooter, you're looking at the doctor, Baba. In a way, Baba, looking at the doctor too. Baba, mina bafethu bengishaya 60, manje ngishaya Uber Eats. Baba, I'm still ngisa pick up kulis Uber Eats, but yeah, hey, with this Uber Eats thing, nigga lam That's just it, bafethu, yabo. Just saying bafethu, ntombazane mfana yafana. It's not about the scooter kuphela, even nangecar, even with a car, Joe, like you can still do it, baba. Yabo, you can still do it, baba, yabo, like you can still do it, nigga la. So hlobo lokuthi mahlobolo namahlobolo phezulu kwamahlobolo fit mina ithi yabona ngivayi man, funa ukuzidiscipline, ngizifix and prepare myself ngibe grand yabo, ngivayi ngosipana ngibe grand. Mara bafethu I will say this bafethu yabo, fethu ningahlali ningasebenzi yabo, like if South Africans want to stop foreign nationals from coming to this country. South Africans need to stop picking jobs. Mina fit, I'm a proud EFF member, but there's something that Julius Malema once said, and I don't agree with it. I'll never agree with it. I'll never support that statement. Nangelo mhlolo. No matter ngathi bangi 10 billion, I'll never support that statement. As Julius Malema once said that South Africans, they don't wanna do gardening, they don't wanna be bricklayers, they don't wanna do these jobs that foreign nationals are taking, such as the one that I'm doing, drive a scooter. Ebafethu, Julius Malema said the reason why South Africans don't want to take those jobs is because they know they are worth. What worth? What worth is that? When you broke, when you have nothing in the pockets, when you got nothing for food, when you got... like, Bafethu, I wanna, like, people who have already made it in life. Be careful in the ways and how they motivate you and how they tell you things, man. Certain things that you can't tell kids, bro. Yeah, boy. Like, ain't no South Africans that know they are worth. Can't pick jobs and while you're suffering, Lindy 350, and then you say you know you're worth. Lindy 350, and then you say you know you're worth. Spanish Shoprite, Tilin. Then you say you know your worth. Bafethu, bricklaying, it's civil engineering, bafethu. Bafethu ukwakha indlu, to bega istina, that's civil engineering, bafethu. We need to really talk about that. To share a garden, that's landscaping, bafethu. It's not just being a garden boy, that's landscaping. Proper. We need to, like, man, stop making about doctor the only careers. Scientists, teachers. Nah, bafethu. Like, let's be honest, bafethu. Landscaping, there's more money in that. People always want to see their houses fresh. And there ain't no cheap labor in that. Because the square meters don't know cheap labor. When you said I charge you 70 rand per square meter, 80 rand per square meter, square meters know no cheap labor. Square meters know measurements. Hlobo. Yabo. So bafethu mina like mina ngihasile ngandlela zonke bafethu ngileyo out ukuthi zama ngishayile iphenduka mina bekasi lami file manje government iyabasusa lapha abontate yabo mara bafethu mina kasi ngispanile lapha kuzama ngishaya iphenduka clean igolide thengisile insango thengisile ikhethe ntshontshile ngisaseyintwana like in my primary school times baba ntshontshe insimbi yabo just to make ends meet yabo. Because I couldn't ask for certain things from my mother, yabo. So I had to make ends meet. So I had to make ends meet. Yabo bafethu mina ngihasilile ngandlela zonke ngisalalile estradini 3 days looking for a job until I got the job. Yabo. So I'm one of those South Africans bafethu who behave like foreigners in their home country because why bafethu? I have nothing to lose but I have a lot to gain. Just want to pass that before ngizovanga ispana yabo. Good bafethu, like as South Africans we need to stop picking jobs. Do not choose jobs bafethu because why? Your stomach doesn't know ukuthi le mali oyiphethe uyithole wenza igarden uwashe imoto spana Shoprite spana kuphi drive scooter yabo or security in a way yabo. So I tell very like our parents, yabo, like they would tell us about these careers because back in their time it was those careers that actually made ends meet. But nowadays, capital, the mindset of money, it's what makes you rich, it's what makes you financially stable. And yeah, hlobo lokuthi mahlobo lona mahlobo lo bafethu, follow your boy Scooterman Vlog. Yeah, Scooterman Vlog bafethu, follow your boy and that shit. Na Facebook ayifuni ngichinje igama lami la but bengizochinja mara here. Pisare. Hlobo lokuthi pisare here. Fethu, stop picking jobs bafethu. Because the reason why foreign nationals are flooding in this country, it's because there's opportunities of which we South Africans don't wanna take. Because Abu Malema, they will tell South Africans which they know their worth. I'm an EFF member, proud EFF member. But I don't agree with the statement of Julius Malema saying South Africans, they know their worth. Can't know your worth while you broke, man. Can't. What's that? What's worth you talking about? 350. But fair. Yeah. And anyways, Bafethu Masimba Ramaphosa. Simba ko na Ramaphosa. Yeah, Simba ko na Ramaphosa.